Hello guys, it's your boy AJ on this video today, and I go by AJ, but my name is Abuja. But on this video today, I'm gonna give you guys 7 ways. I'm gonna show you guys 7 ways how to make money online. No, on 7 ways how to make money while driving your car or whatever car you have to basically make money. Driving your car to basically make money. Your car, whatever car you have out there to make money. There's 7 ways how to make money while driving your car. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. To the music. Boom. Alright guys. So my number 1 way how to basically make money while driving around or driving whatever car you have out there is basically basically becoming a taxi driver. Taxi driver make good amount of money, man. People just don't know this. People just sleep on it. I don't want to be a taxi driver. Like, I might have all type of stress level. Forget that, man. Taxi driver is a great way to make money in general. So being a taxi driver, man, make money while driving around. Basically, it's a flexible job, and also some people just love driving, man. Come on, great way to make money. And I read an article about they made about 24K-ish every single year. Good amount of money, right? Now the second way to make money while driving around, being a bus driver. Bus driver is an excellent job out there, man. Excellent job out there, man. They make good money. Just think about it, bro. Basically, what I heard is that bus driver have, like, basically this summer right now, they're off. They don't have to work anywhere. They can choose to work like any other job out there right now. But listen, they get paid. You get paid vacation, man. That's nice. If you have a job that's basically like a bus driver, when school is off, you basically get paid. That's good. That's a good job, because why you basically getting paid for not doing nothing? Yeah, man, that's excellent. Bus driver is a great job out there, man. Being a bus driver is fantastic. Very flexible, very not hard. Basically, always require a license, and of course, I'll be older a little bit, man. So, and on my third way how to basically make money while driving around, driving a tow truck. A lot of people have a tow truck. They're not even using, just sitting down, not even doing nothing with it. Why not make money while basically using your tow truck or driving your tow truck around, or basically borrow a neighbor or borrow somebody who need a tow truck to basically move things from one place to another, man. That's what tow truck are meant for, man. You can just use them to basically take out whatever stuff you have in your house to move to a new house, or whatever you basically need a tow truck for, man. Tow truck, in my opinion, is a fantastic way to make money out there, man. Fantastic way to make money. Now, my 4th way, man, Uber Drive. Let me just say Uber Drive, because they have Uber Eat and Uber Drive. Uber Drive is basically just driving people around, like what you usually do when your friend be like, I need a ride to go to a certain place or a club. Now, Uber, in my opinion, is a great way to make money not online, but just make money in general. Because I just think about it, man. Everybody need rides to go places, do their fun things, fun activities. Let me just say this. Now, Uber in some states is really not good. Like in Detroit, Uber is like $6 an hour. Yeah, because I don't know. I think Detroit is just not good for Uber, I guess. Yeah, but Uber in Detroit is not that good. People don't make no good money. People don't make no money in Detroit that much while doing Uber, compared to like California, Las Vegas, where actually people go there to visit. People need rides to go to places, see museum and artworks and all that good stuff. Because hey, Uber, you can actually make good amount of money if you're like in the states where it's like have a lot of population, a lot of like these events stuff goes down there. You can make good amount of money doing Uber, rather than doing something or in the states where they don't have nothing, like the state I'm in right now, Columbus, Ohio. People here make average, I don't know what they usually make, but I don't think they make that much, because Columbus, Ohio just don't have, there's nothing here to do, bro. Yeah, guys. Now my 5th way how to basically make money while driving around is of course my favorite, but this here is only available for some states. Amazon driver. You can basically deliver a package for people out there. they basically need the package to be delivered. And what you can do is you can basically pick up the package from Amazon, and of course you gotta be trustworthy, all that good stuff. But yeah, you basically choose a vehicle, and then you're gonna be like putting your vehicle out there, and basically you're gonna be using your vehicle to basically deliver this packaging for people. Now Amazon, in my opinion, is a fantastic company. I think it's an A plus on Business Bureau. Yeah, so man, so that's pretty good. So you can be, let me click on this website. Let me show you guys how it looks. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do that. Now look at that. Oh, I think let's click on that. Look at that. Now it's called, the actual website is called Amazon Flex. Yeah, Flex Amazon. So just go ahead and type in that in. I'll actually leave the link in the description. So make sure you check it out. Look at that. Okay, but this is only available in some states, states for right now. Look at that. So this is only available in some states. My region is not here. But when you see your region is not here, what's happening is they usually update you when you don't, when your religion is basically available for you to basically start working with them. But for now, only those 6 cities are basically available for Uber Drive. So yeah, Uber Drive is a great opportunity to basically make money while driving around. Yeah. So my sixth way to basically make money while driving around is Uber Eat. Uber Eat is fantastic. Basically you deliver food for people out there. They're like hungry, like me right now. I'm hungry. I need some food. So what I could do is just go to the Uber Eat app, order me some McDonald's or something I want to eat, some fast food or any type of restaurants, and hey, the food get delivered to me in the next 30 to 40 minutes. That's how great Uber Eats can be. Uber Eats is great. And 7, DoorDash. DoorDash, same thing like Uber Eats. What they do is they deliver food to your place. They deliver food basically to people like me right now who is definitely hungry, need some food. They can just deliver me food right now, man. And of course, I think they have a fees you have to pay too, because nobody gonna deliver food for you for free. Of course, you have to pay. Of course, McDonald's, whatever company out there, that restaurants you're gonna be buying the food from. So that's 2 fees right there you have to pay. But hey, DoorDash and Uber Eats are the same. But in my opinion, I'd rather go with Uber Eats, because Uber is a big platform. It's really a trustworthy platform there. DoorDash, I've never tried DoorDash. I don't know nobody who tried them. But hey, I recommend you try Uber Eats. Now, if this video was very helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Till next time, I will catch you in the next one, man. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you share this on your social media or whatever page you have out there, basically to help my channel grow. Until next time, man, I'll catch you in the next one. If this video was very helpful and you actually learn, or just you get to gain knowledge from this video, make sure you like this video. Till next time, and of course, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, your thoughts, what you think, your opinions about this video. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.